Many of students did not complete this portion, like our old users, all ECFMG certified applicants also did not form this blog. Now whenever you log in your account, you have to go and click on my profile, click on identification number, identity information. If anything missing, put their contact information like your address you have to put, and in your school information put all the information that is needed, citizenship information needed, put all the things there. Okay, and when you click on my profile, then there will be a change button. You have to click on change and it will be change all the things, understand? And with my profile, you have can change your name, rest of name, all the things, and also like additional section will require information if you want to change why you are going to change, like passport number is going to reason for changing. Then you have to upload the files. The upload passport and all the thing will be same like that. The option will come and you have to just click. And if there is a new password, once you have made all your updates, complete the review card section for online notary. You again go for a notary if you want to make any changes, like changing of your name and specific information.